Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here, and today is day 5 of the Power Hour collab that I'm doing with Kristin from Kristin's Chaotic Life. And there's also a whole other lot of YouTubers taking part. So have a look at the playlist below if you enjoy Power Hours. There is loads down below, like I said. Now, if you've just come across this video and you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out the link above and I'll have the playlist for my previous 4 Power Hour videos. So today, I don't know if you can tell, we are in our bathroom. I am going to deep clean my bathroom, and this not only means cleaning it, but I'm going to handle all my makeup brushes and where my makeup is. I'm going to change that around, put it some other place, because let me see if I can show you. At the moment, my makeup sits on here by the window, and obviously as it warms up, I don't want any of it to be ruined because the sun hits it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my toiletries cupboard, which you might have seen before if you followed me for a while. But I have this here, and it has my toiletries and also the cleaning products I keep upstairs. And then inside I have more toiletries and nail polish, all that kind of stuff. I'm also going to go through all of that because I know I have loads of small samples of shampoos and conditioners, and we are moving this summer, so I want to get rid of all of it before we move. And instead of going out and buying a big pack of shampoo, I'm just going to use this up. It is free after all. If it wasn't free, I've paid for them at some point, so I need to use that up. So I'm going to bring you along. So let's go. my God, you guys, this took way longer than I thought. It took an hour and 10 minutes, and it's satisfying now that it's done, but it was really thankless. And it was really hard to film because, as you guys know, my bathroom is quite small. So anyway, let me show you what's different. So you guys saw me cleaning the shower and the bathtub. I've put all our washing stuff here. I thought I had actually a lot more than that, but those are like the leftovers I have from, you know, free products or little bits I bought. So we're going to use that up as well. I've just put it in one of those little blue trays. And then the windowsill, I've removed my makeup, and now I'm just going to have these on my face cloth. I clean makeup with that. Take my makeup off, and I've got like cotton buds and a couple of Skin So Soft and just face masks and cotton buds and things like that. These, hold on a second. So anyway, these are just drying here. Once they're dry, they'll go in my makeup stuff, which I'll show you. My brush stays here, and I always like having a pair of scissors. And this is the thing that I've changed. I've put out toothbrushes here. I don't like having them in the holder, but there's no drawers for us to put them in. So I've just put it here. This is Alex's stuff, and this is mine and Paul's. I need to get a Listerine thing out of the cupboard as well. But anyway, I kind of like this at the moment, which means that our sink just has the soap there. Nothing's changed. Hi. Nothing's changed here. Nice fresh towels. Toilet paper there. I empty the bin. Fresh mat as well. Fresh towels and all that. And let me show you in here. So my makeup's gonna be right here, and my deodorant. I've got my mirror there, and I think I'm gonna start doing my makeup right there. It's really good lighting. I sorted through all of that, and here's the result. A couple of bags of rubbish, the towels to go in the wash. And that is it for this power hour, you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. It's also the last one in this collab. So thank you again to Kristin for putting this together. Please don't forget to check out everyone in the playlist below. If you're new to my channel and you're coming from one of the other ones, hi, welcome. I hope you would like to subscribe. Don't forget to press the little bell on the side, and I'll see you guys next time, which is Sunday. See you guys Sunday. Bye.